Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is the Yardi Trucker, Ebony Yardi Trucker. Yeah, big up on yourself, one love, all of that. Um, Welcome to my channel. So this is exciting for me. This is new for me. I am a truck driver. I have been driving for a year over the road, um, and I was out of the truck for a little bit, about 3 months in a week or so. So now I'm going back into the truck and I just wanted to create a YouTube channel and have some fun with it. And I also look out for my Jamaican trucker them because me not really listen on like the female Jamaican trucker them, okay? Them I look out for. Men, I do see a lot of men Jamaican truckers, but them never talk to them. Must have one person, one guy about a year ago. We did meet when we go deliver one load and he was Jamaican and we had a conversation and that was it. But that being said, may I open up this platform hoping to find more Jamaican female truckers. I love the female trucker them, okay? Female truckers, I love you guys. Y'all are my inspiration, especially Miss Clarissa Rankin. Oh my God, that woman is phenomenal, okay? I love her very much. Um, I had also met when I just came out of trucking school and I was solo. I met this other trucking lady. She was also Jamaican, and the company that she was working for, I'd ask her information about it. But when I called the company, they required, I think it was 3 years experience or 2 years experience. I don't remember, but we did just live out of school. We never have enough. But I was like, okay, I'll get my experience and maybe I'll call back or whatever the case may be. Um, but that being said, like I said, I was over the road for a year. Um, and I had stopped for a while because of some personal reasons, pardon me, some personal reasons. And during my time off the truck, I was home. I was doing Uber here and there. And let me tell you, that is a one story for itself. And I was doing here and there with my sister. But it didn't really work out, so I have to go back out on the road. Um, and I don't mind. I miss it. I do. In the beginning, when I came off the truck, I was like, I don't miss it. But then after a while, it does wear off on you. And that statement is true. Once you're a trucker, always a trucker. Now, trucking are not for everybody. Trucking is not for everybody. Okay? Not everybody can be over the road. Not everybody can be regional. And not everybody going to be local. Everybody, uh, whatever they decide to do, that's their preference. If you decide to come into trucking, you have to decide what you want to do. I did OTR for 48 states and I loved it. I had no problems going anywhere except New York. Because them people in New York tormented and California. Mm, nah, no, they don't know if you drive. I'm just kidding, y'all, New Yorkers and Californians. So don't nobody come for me, okay? My opinion. Anywho, um, but the companies that I did drive for, they didn't send me in the city. Um, I did go upstate New York, which is fine, and I did a few trips out to California, which is also fine. Also to Snowfall, California. Anyway, that's a one whole nother story. But all in all, I can say that I enjoyed being over the road. Now, this company that I'm going with is I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. Y'all gotta save little like sus for later. For save little sus for later. But it's a company that I never thought of. I never thought that I would be working for this company. But when I found out about the company, I called, I did my research, watched YouTube videos, and the videos that I watched, let me tell you, I didn't hear any bad complaints about it. One of the things that I like about this company is they have a fridge in the truck, which I like, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I cook on the truck. over the road. So that is perfect for me to get a truck with a fridge in it. And two, they have pet and rider policy. Now, I have children, so if they decide that they want to come over the road with me, great. And eventually, I'm gonna get a dog that's gonna ride with me. Okay, so that's one of the those are the some of the things that I love about this company so far. Um, I miss it. All in all, in a nutshell, I miss it. My family and I, we talked about it, and we decided that this is what we should do, and we didn't just take it up lightly. We prayed about it a lot, and we asked for Jehovah's direction in which way to go. And so, because we have other plans right now, this is the best thing for us to do for our family. um so yeah, so today is Friday. So tomorrow I will be packing a little suitcase. I'm not going to pack a lot because they're flying me out to go do orientation. So I can't bring a lot of stuff with me flying. So I'd have to wait until I pick up my truck, and then when I come home for my home time, I'll just bring the other stuff to my truck. So for now, I'm just going to pack light. Um Definitely carrying my two pots so I can cook some food while I'm over the road for the first 2 weeks or however long I'll be over the road for. But I am definitely looking forward to it. I will give you an orientation video update. I will give you a new truck video update. There won't be a lot of stuff going in my truck the first time when I get it until I come home, and then that's a whole nother video. Um, so, you know, feel free to message me, leave me a message in the comments. I reply. Me talk back to people. Ain't that strange? Ain't that weird? Yeah, me talk back to people. So, any questions at all you have about trucking, about the trucking industry, about being a female trucker, if you're, especially if you're a Jamaican and you want coming out of the business, please may I beg you reach out. Reach out to me if you want coming out of business. I might not know much, but the little I know, I will make you know. I will share it with you. If you're a female trucker, if you're a female, especially from the Caribbean, whether you're Jamaican, no matter what part you come from, but I would not preferably, I would hope to see more Caribbean women out here in trucking because I haven't seen any, you know. So reach out, send me a message, and we take it from there. But for right now, yeah, looking forward to it. So next week, I will make a video on orientation, the new company, and all of that. No, I'm not gonna tell you about me pay, cause no, that's my business. Me tell you how much a company I pay and all of these stuff. But yeah, but I am looking forward to it. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. If you like what you see and want more, please like, subscribe, and share. All right. Okay. So, thank you again and stay tuned. Stay blessed.